When my son full grown, may he roll on golden crown.
Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, when it comes to today's video is going to be a sneaker review. And today's sneaker review is going to be on the Air Jordan 12 Indigo. First, we were gifted with a nice little thing right here. The beauty of imperfection fades to perfection. Indigo is among the oldest dyes to be used for textile dyeing and printing. The oldest known fabric dyed indigo dates back to more than 6,000 years ago. Not two pieces are alike. We embrace these differences. With time and use, the depth and fade of the indigo will reveal a look that looks unique to you. When you are on the outside looking in and you see the indigo, you're thinking, oh, that's just an Obsidian 12 lookalike. But now that I'm knowing that it has fabric dyed into it, and the dye is like this textile indigo type of dye, and not two pieces are alike, and the more you wear them, maybe the materials shift a little bit. That's a little bit more interesting, not gonna lie to you. The release went pretty good. If you wanted to grab the shoe, you could have grabbed the shoe, but if you wasn't on your due diligence, you definitely would have easily taken an L, because these things sold like hotcakes, just like Air Jordan 12s always do. I think that the shoe is pretty fire. I like that navy blue upper. I also like how it has a navy blue upper, but it gives you hits of like this weird marine blue towards the inside too. That kind of reminds me of like a UNC blue. The only thing that I don't like about the shoe, and y'all already know what it is, and that's this right here. Matter of fact, there's almost two things that I don't like about the shoe. The first thing is going to be the bottom of the shoe right here, and the main reason why is because it's a white bottom. But then again, you look at it, you think about it, what other color was they supposed to make the bottom? The next gripe that I have about this shoe goes into the construction. If you look at this shoe from pictures, right, you'll think this shoe got the best quality ever, because it just looks tumbled already. You see that? It just looks like it's getting a little tumbled already. Just getting this shoe in hand and feeling the upper, it literally feels like saran paper. Seriously, it feels like plastic. So it's like, you think $200 for a shoe and the upper feels like plastic. I don't know, bro. That's probably no good to me. But it's safe, because it's saying that the more you wear the shoe, the better this is going to get. So I guess you get a pass. I guess. Matter of fact, let me know in the comment section down below if they get a pass. If y'all have actually felt the upper on these, and y'all know how bad the upper feels on these, let me know if they get a pass. Cause I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. Like, if this doesn't distress well or look nice, bro, this upper is trash, bro. Cause this upper looks like, it just feels like plastic, bro. I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it. When it comes to the rest of the sneaker right here, it's pretty much just a Obsidian lookalike, just instead the upper is filled with more of that indigo. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I don't like this, but if you look at the midsole, you guys can see that there is a white sole with hits of that navy blue. The hits of navy blue I do think is cool. The upper color is cool, but the material used on that upper, that indigo, I'm still questioning that. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm still questioning that. This midsole I think is cool also. The white leather, that's a good touch too. Not really too much to get into when it comes to the Air Jordan 12 Indigo. Also, you do have some silver aglets, some silver lace holes right there, just to give it a little bit more of a premium finish. But when it comes to the Air Jordan 12 Indigo, it's a cool shoe. Not bad. I'm not really going crazy about it though. Did you guys cop this shoe? Were you guys able to grab this shoe? Let me know in the comment section down below. The 12 is probably the most uncomfortable Jordan there is. No matter what Air Jordan 12 I get, they always fit me uncomfortable. So I recommend that if you guys want to wear them, it's kind of hard because you can go your true size and they'll fit, but you can only wear them for like 25 minutes before they start eating your toes. We only being real around here. Or you can get them a half size bigger and they fit a half size bigger. So I recommend that you guys go true to size. If you have wide feet, I don't even know if I would cop this shoe. I'm just keeping it 1,000.
Briggs. Briggs.
Black ass up.